Italy, a country where every street feels like a living museum.
Bellissima.
A land shaped by art, history, and timeless beauty. From ancient ruins to romantic cities,
Italy is not just a destination, it is a feeling.
today we explore the wonders of this magical land. Our journey begins in Rome, the heart of ancient civilization. The Colosseum still stands as a symbol of Roman power.
Gladiators once fought here before thousands of people. Today, it echoes with history and imagination.
Every stone here tells a story.
The Roman Forum was once the center of political life.
Great emperors once walked these roads.
Rome feels like a city frozen in time.
Yet modern life moves all around it.
This mix of past and present is what makes Rome special.
Inside Rome lies a country of its own, the Vatican. It is the spiritual center of the Catholic world. St. Peter's Basilica is one of the largest churches on earth.
Its beauty leaves visitors speechless.
The Sistine Chapel holds one of the greatest artworks ever created.
Florence is the birthplace of the Renaissance.
This city shaped modern art and culture.
Michelangelo's David stands tall here. A symbol of strength and beauty.
Every street feels like a painting.
The Florence Cathedral dominates the skyline.
Its massive dome was a miracle of engineering. Artists and thinkers changed the world from this city.
Florence is a dream for lovers of history.
And paradise for art lovers.
Venice is unlike any other place on Earth.
Instead of roads, it has canals.
Gondolas glide silently across the water.
Bridges connect a maze of tiny islands.
The city feels like a beautiful illusion.
St. Mark's Square is Venice's heart.
Pigeons fill the air, creating a magical scene.
Venice is romantic, mysterious, and unforgettable.
Sunset makes it glow with golden light.
It feels like a city from a fairy tale.
The Amalfi Coast is one of Italy's most beautiful places.
Cliffs drop straight into the blue Mediterranean Sea. Colorful villages cling to the mountains.
Every view looks like a postcard.
The air smells of sea and lemons. Boats float gently on crystal clear water. This is where Italy shows its natural beauty.
Peaceful, warm, and breathtaking.
Tuscany is the heart of Italy's countryside.
Rolling hills stretch into the distance.
Vineyards produce world-famous wine.
Small villages sit quietly on hilltops.
Life here moves slowly and peacefully. This is the soul of rural Italy.
Milan is Italy's modern capital.
It is known for fashion and business.
The Milan Cathedral is a masterpiece of Gothic design.
It took nearly 6 centuries to complete.
Luxury shops line the city streets.
Milan is elegant, fast, and stylish.
Pizza was born here.
Pasta is a part of everyday life.
Meals are about family and friendship.
Italians enjoy life with passion.
They love music, conversation, and laughter.
Warm smiles welcome visitors everywhere.
From mountains to seas, Italy has it all.
Every region has its own story. Every city has its own soul.
Italy is more than just a country.
It is a journey through time.
A journey through beauty.
A journey through culture.
Italy, a place the heart never forgets.